This is a demonstration of bringing a point cloud into AutoCAD. I am using AutoCAD MEP 2014. I have a point cloud that I've prepared using Recap, but it could be generated with whatever software can make a point cloud. And I will go to the Insert tab and Attach, pick my file name, and it's going to be an RCS format, and hit Open. Now I have this little dialog here with some parameters, and I can also hit the Show Details button to confirm that the scaling is correct in my scan and how it will come into my AutoCAD model. The units in the point cloud are meters, and in AutoCAD it's inches, and it will come in around 45 by 62 feet. I'm going to have it go to 0, 0, 0, and with the rest of these parameters. And you can see it comes in quite quickly. Once it's in there, I can look at it from various perspectives or places. I can also use the point cloud clip command, select that point cloud, and do C for clipping box, and I will get a clipping box which can cut down on how this point cloud is displayed in AutoCAD. When I select it, I have some grips on it. There may be a better way, but the way I've found to be able to move those grips around is to go to, say, a side view and go UCS V for view, then select that clipping box, and I can take the grip and move it down. Then when I go to another view, I can see just that part of the point cloud that is not clipped. Then I can set my UCS back to world. To get rid of the clipping box, I select the point cloud, hit the remove clipping button, and then select the point cloud again, and try again. Remove clipping. Oh, I need to select not the point cloud, it's the box. Remove clipping. There we go. Some other interesting things that can be done with a point cloud is to make sections and elevations and plans out of it, which can be generated right in AutoCAD. I will go to the Home tab and go to the top view, or actually I will type plan and then enter. And over here I have a section and elevation section of the ribbon. I can do a horizontal section, and I select a corner and another corner, and ask me for elevation of section planes. Now this is from the UCS, which is not really too close to my points right now, but I can adjust that in a bit. I'll hit enter and enter. Then I could go to this view and look at it there, and I can move this more to where I want to go. And in this case, it's not requiring me to change any UCS as far as I can tell. And I'll go back to plan view. Then I can take this element, it's called a building section line, right click on it, generate 2D section, select objects, I select the point cloud, pick a point where I want the plan to be drawn, and the display set is going to be plan, and I hit OK, and then RE for regen, and look at that, it generated a two-dimensional representation of that point cloud cutting where I told it to cut. I can do something similar in section as well, and I will demonstrate. Section line, I draw that, and there it goes, and I will make sure it's cutting where I want over here. And let me move that back a little bit too. So it's pretty easy to change where the section is going to be just with the grips on that section line, building section line. And I can right click on it, generate 2D section, select objects, I select here, pick a point, I will have it down there, and the display set will be section elevation, and I do regen. And there it is. If I want to change it, first I can move it if I want. And if I want to update it, I can just do something like move, and here right click, generate 2D section, replace existing, select the object, and there, regen, and I have my new section. Once I have that, I can do any kind of drafting over it, such as put dimensions in, and I can use wipeout and draw lines or any other elements I would like to. And that's some of the power of using points and a point cloud in AutoCAD.